Assalamualaikum. Happy birthday, Te.
Happy birthday, Te.
Enjoy your day. Miss you. See you soon.
God bless, Te. See you soon.
Bye.
Hello, Ate Laika. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for your family. Kila Kuya, ganun. Kay Bray, sa lahat ng sacrifices mo. Maraming salamat kahit matigas yung ulo ni Kuya ko. Kahit na medyo kupal-kupal siya, ganun. Ay, inaalagaan. Minamahal mo pa rin siya. See you guys soonest. And sana, pagpakasyon na kayo dito, please. At i-degree na kami lumakas. Happy birthday ulit, Ate. Stay safe and God bless. More birthdays to come.
Hello, Ate Laika. Happy birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Oh, ikaw ano?
Kumusta ka na dyan? Siyempre, wala yung mag-ama mo.
Yes.
Tiis-tiis na lang muna kayo sa pagkikiwalay. So,
yes.
Sana kahit na malayo yung mag-ama mo, kakayanin niyo yan. At dasal-dasal para lalagyan ng tibay. Okay, happy birthday.
And yun nga, sabi ni Daddy. And more birthdays pa to celebrate. And patience. Patience is a virtue, kunada garod.
Pagpasensya, may asawa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Laika.
Be happy, Ate. Maski malayo sila sa'yo and your family. We love you.
Day, anak ko, huwag mo sana pababayan ang sarili mo dyan. Lalong-lalo na yung binibigay mo sa amin. Yung binibigay mo sa amin, huwag ka sana magsawa. Palagi pa namin palagi kang malakas dyan, anak ko.
So, happy birthday, anak Laika. Sana good health sa birthday mo. Many more birthday to come. And sana huwag kang magkakasakit dyan. At laging malakas. Pray lang sa taas. And yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate.
Happy birthday, Ate Laika. God bless you.
Hi, Sister Laika. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Laika. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Laika. God bless you and your family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sister Laika. May God continue to bless you and your family. See ya.
Birthday, Laika.
Happy birthday, Laika. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Laika. God bless you. Pagkatinin ng Laika. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. I wish you more blessings to come in life and you being healthy forever and staying pretty forever And sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo today na sinurprise ka ni Daddy. And sana umuwi ka na kasi miss na kita. And I love you, ma. Love you, love you, love you.
Hello, me. Happy birthday sa'yo. And I love you so much. I love you, I love you, I love you. At sana magustuhan mo yung little surprise namin sa'yo ni Brielle and nila Atilan and lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa'yo sa Pilipinas, dito sa Canada, dyan sa UAE. And I wish you all the best in life and thank you for everything and sorry for everything, and I love you so much. I love you. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. See you soon.